Orlando Pirates head coach Abdusalam Wadu has issued a stern warning to his players after their showboating antics overshadowed an otherwise solid performance in Tuesday night's Carling Knockout Cup quarterfinal victory over Magesi FC at Orlando Stadium. The Buccaneers booked their place in the semifinals with a 2-1 win, courtesy of goals from Tsepang Moremi and Evidence Makgopa, while Magesi netted a late consolation. Despite the victory, Wadu's post-match mood was far from celebratory. The Soweto Giants were eager to bounce back after their painful exit from the CAF Champions League, where they were dumped out by St. Elio Lupopo on penalties following a dramatic 3-3 aggregate draw, and for much of the clash against Magesi, Pirates looked like a side determined to restore pride, dominating possession, carving open chances and dictating the tempo. But as the game wore on and Pirates took a comfortable 2-goal lead, their focus wavered. Some players began indulging in flashy footwork and unnecessary flair, much to the displeasure of their coach, and said we started the game the way we planned, high intensity, putting pressure on the opponents to score early. The boys did a fantastic job in terms of executing our strategy. At halftime, we could have easily been 5 goals up. However, the Moroccan tactician's tone quickly shifted when addressing the final stages of the match and said, my big disappointment is the last 15 minutes. If we want to be ambitious and go forward, we have to stop this nonsense. Showboating is not football, it's circus. If players want to do that, they should go to the circus. I'm not here for that. I'm here to improve my players. Wadu's frustration deepened after Magesi capitalized on Pirates' complacency to pull one back late in the game and said in the end we conceded a goal and that wasn't part of the plan. We must stay focused from the first whistle to the last. Winning is good, but how we win matters more. While Pirates matched onto the Carling Knockout semifinals, Wadu's message was clear: discipline and professionalism must take precedence over flair and theatrics, especially for a team with ambitions of reclaiming its dominance in South African football. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.